It's a big day for us today. We're finally pouring the deck for the second time at Tramonto. We lost the first deck in the fire. This one came back. Same design. The original design was based upon maximizing heights in the basement. Because we built a basement without shoring the neighboring properties, we weren't able to get as deep as you would normally want to be in a basement. So the way that we compensated for that to make the basement feel like it was a good space was make a very, very thin floor system. This floor system, at the thickest points, the beams are about 12 inches, and at the thinnest point, the slab is about 4 inches, and then the finish sits directly on top of that. There's no drop ceiling underneath because we're using the structure as our expressed architecture, and that gets painted out. So a lot of care and concern went into preparing for today. The crew did a beautiful job making all the ribs line up on the panels, sealing all the holes so that we didn't have penetrations, blocking out, making preparations for the mechanical penetration so that we don't spend too much time in the future. We have very tight tolerances everywhere, so the drainage all had to be considered for the showers, the toilets, all the plumbing really. All the routing had to be finalized. It's exciting to see, and we're happy to be doing this again. And last time it turned out great. This time I think it'll turn out better. We made some fine tuning, some fine adjustments into the design to make the most of it in this current pour. So proud of the crew for what they're doing here, and looking forward to seeing all this filled in by the end of the day. And then next step, rough carpentry. That'll be coming up next week.